Most web designers will hate this, because I just built a complete SEO-optimized business website in under 5 minutes using AI. Instead of designing everything manually, I first studied top competitors in the niche. I checked their layout, services, SEO structure, call to actions, and overall design style. Because AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. So instead of a lazy prompt, I created a highly detailed premium website prompt. This prompt includes competitor analysis, local SEO keywords, service structure, homepage layout, trust sections, testimonials, fact schema, mobile responsiveness, and full HTML generation. Now watch this. I simply paste the prompt into Gemini and let AI do the heavy lifting. If this works, this saves hours of design, copywriting, and front-end development. The secret is not the AI tool, the secret is the prompt. Most people get terrible AI results because they ask terrible questions. And yes, I'm happy to share the exact prompt I used. Comment prompt below, and I'll send you the exact prompt so you can build your own website too. Now while Gemini is generating the website, let me show you what's actually happening behind the scenes. It's not creating just a screenshot or mock-up. It's writing the actual website code live. You can see the HTML structure being generated. Sections, headings, layouts, buttons, SEO content, styling, all automatically. And the best part? This is not locked. If I don't like any section, I can instantly update the content, change the design, modify colors, rewrite the copy, or even ask AI to completely redesign the layout. For now, I'm using free stock images just for reference and demo purposes. But you can easily replace these with client images, brand photos, product visuals, or custom assets anytime. And I intentionally kept this window open, so you can see the exact real generation time. No hidden cuts, no fake speed ups. This is exactly how fast AI can build a production-ready website. And boom, full website generated. Hero section, premium layout, clear call to actions, SEO content, all done automatically. Look at this. Professional hero section, quote form, service cards, trust building content, testimonials, facts section, local SEO targeting. This is better than many small business websites charging hundreds of dollars. And this isn't just pretty design. It includes proper heading structure, SEO-friendly content, meta-ready layout, schema-ready sections. This is actually built to rank. And yes, Gemini generated the actual HTML, CSS, and layout code too. No manual coding, no template hunting, no WordPress plugins. Let's test responsiveness. Desktop, looks clean. Mobile, still beautiful. That's the part that usually breaks. As someone who builds websites professionally, this workflow is insanely powerful for landing pages, local businesses, MVPs, and rapid client demos.